Alright. Some people have said that I don't do many cold starts of this '02 Scotch tractor. And it's true, I don't, but it's my stepfather's and I don't really get to drive it all that often, so give it some crankage. She's got lights, so give it some crankage, see what's going to happen. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, son of a bitch. Shit! Oh, well. I guess she doesn't love us. My Camaro loves us. I'm sorry, my stepfather's Camaro. Soon to be mine. Not yet. Okay, we got a little smoke problem here. That's probably from the van. Alrighty. Anyway, let's put this back up. Okay. We'll shut that off soon. Alrighty. Open the door, lock it, so the handle doesn't turn. Okay, garbage can's in, everything's back. Sweet. God, that was a great start up with that van. I need to get that battery charged up, though. I'm sick of having to sit there and tweak the battery before I start it all the time. Like our big snow mound. Slowly depleting, but... Alright. Enter the code. You guys can't see. Okay. Press enter. Up. Say hi. Say hi, Star Dog. Say no, I'm gonna eat some snow. Alrighty. Come on, dog. Alright. That was a good startup of most of my things. Not entirely everything, because, I mean, the van didn't want to start for a second there, and, stuff like that, but they all start up eventually. You just gotta show them a little TLC. That's what most of my vehicles need, is just some TLC. I mean, they're not bad vehicles. I mean, they all start up and they run. I mean, the van runs a little rough. Okay, it smokes a little bit. Big deal. You know, give me a freaking break. You know? Oh, well. It's a good day of startups. My dog's tired. She got tired. Yeah, I see her tail wagging. Please subscribe, and please comment to Cody00717. Thank you.